Hey guys, long time no talk. I'm back with a full wash and style video for you guys so you can see me style my hair, featuring the Aphogee products Curlific line that they have. It's a newer line that is meant for curly hair, and so I'm really excited to try it out. It looks like these are pretty juicy twists, but they are actually twists that I just threw in because my hair's been in a protective style for the past 3 weeks. Basically, this is really old, really kind of like oily hair. It's pretty dirty and it's ready to be washed. I'm gonna start off with the Curlific line texture treatment. If you're natural and you hear like texture and treatment, it sounds like a texturizer or something like that. The ingredients and the instructions, basically it's like a deep condition for your curls. It smells really flowery. Looks like the consistency is very, very thick. Like I can't even get any out with my finger. That's how thick it is. I figured I could chat with you guys through this because it has been so long. And so basically like what's been going on is like I'm pregnant and it has been, you know, a bit of a struggle these past few months. I like to put on deep conditions first. I don't think that's what it says to do in the directions, but I like to do it that way. So we'll see what's going on. Right now I'm putting on dry hair. I'm gonna see how my hair likes that. If not, then I will spritz some water, aloe vera juice. You guys know it's my favorite. Right now it's going on like really smooth. I'm able to detangle my hair, so I think this is working out well. This is a very thick product. It's very flowery as well, the scent. So like I was saying guys, it's been a while because I've been pregnant. Right now I'm just about 9 months pregnant, and between aches, pains, fatigue, it just has not been what I thought it was going to be, which is fine. I know I had to come out here and get you guys a video. This seems to be curling up my hair a lot. When I oil my scalp every 2 days, it actually gets right onto the hair because the hair is cornrowed and the ends are tucked in. So I think the oiling really actually keeps it very soft. So when I take it out, it actually feels really good. I'm continuing to add this deep conditioner. I can easily detangle my hair. It's been 3 weeks since I detangled my hair, and this stuff is really detangling my hair. My curls are here. Alright guys, I'm back. I applied the deep conditioner texture treatment all over my hair. As you guys can see, if there's one thing pregnancy did for me, it was make my hair very, very thick. It is so thick. My hair is growing right back into that heart shape, and I am okay with it. I'm not going to recut my hair. They want you to put it on wet hair in the shower, and I just like to apply my deep conditioners first, especially after a protective style. So I did use a lot. I like to have my hair detangled before shampooing it after a protective style because it hasn't been detangled for so long, and if I detangle it after shampooing, I'm gonna lose more hair. So I didn't lose that much hair, and actually the more that I run my hands through here, my hair is clumping up a little bit. I'm gonna use this textured hair wash. I'm just going to use my own Aussie Moist conditioner. Then I'm going to come back out and show you guys my hair results. Hey guys, my hair is all washed and ready to be styled. So as you guys saw, I had to come to you guys in the shower because of how great the shampoo worked. So just to backtrack a little bit, the texture treatment, when I rinsed it out of my hair, it felt really like squeaky clean, but really not that much slip. Maybe it does work best after the shampoo, I'm not sure. But after that, I went right into using the Curlific shampoo, and that was like amazing. Like I had to show you guys, I have never seen my hair clump up or curl up or be so easily detangled with just the shampoo in. What I did do after that was the 2-minute protein reconstructor, which you leave in for 2 minutes and it applies protein treatment to your hair. That made my curls even more defined. It made my curls shrink up. It did not leave my hair feeling hard like I was expecting a protein treatment to do. It's not a strong protein treatment, it's only 2 minutes. Did see a lot of shrinkage after that, which means that your curls are doing well. We have this hair that is ready to be styled. Well, my hair right now is so shrunken and so curly. I'm going to add this Curlific Moisture Rich leave-in. Smells pretty good. All right, I'll just spritz that on just like this. All right, running that through. That's definitely adding some slip to my hair. Yeah, that definitely added a good amount of sip to my hair. Also very flowery. I think the whole line smells like this. I think I'm gonna do a twist out and start off with a braid, and then I do the rest twists. I think I'll do 3 in this section. Balancing moisturizer. So I believe they mean like pH balancing. I really want to see how this line works, so I'm not going to use any of my other regular products. I'll add like that much. Moisturize that into this section here. Feels really good. Smells very fresh. They've also got a curl definer, Curlific curl definer. So I'm going to use that in lieu of a gel or butter. It's very light. Just sort of running that through the section. I would say my curls are slightly defined. I'm going to use my grapeseed oil to seal. That's my fave. As you guys can see, what I like to do with my twists is I like to braid the first couple inches. What this does is it helps elongate the twist. It helps to stretch the roots. The roots are usually the longest to dry and the frizziest if I don't do this. And then I twist the rest. This just really helps my twists to stay in. If you ever have issues with your twists unraveling or shrinking up quite a bit, try braiding the first like inch or 2. I will say my hair feels really soft and it does feel pretty slippery, like I like it to feel. Alright guys, I'm back with the last section that's left here in the front. The rest of my hair is all twisted up. You do see some white residue, but you know, I'll check in later because I will show you it's most likely going to be gone. So just as I had suspected, the products actually did end up working pretty well for the front half of my hair more than for the back. The products ended up really growing on me. I really like how like fresh and light they are. I'm used to using heavy butters. I've just been doing that for the past like year or 2. I really like how it feels going on, and I'm going to see if that carries through when it dries, if that's gonna make it lighter. I don't know. The lack of slip in the shower doesn't seem to take away from the slip that I have now. I'm really excited to see what these results are like. Right now it's about 11:30 in the morning. To ensure that I get the best results as well as like the least discomfort out of my day, I'm not gonna sit under the dryer or anything like that. I'm just going to keep these twists in until about tomorrow noon. That is about how long it takes to dry my hair, about a day. Things are feeling good. So I will return tomorrow and you guys can see what the results are. Hey love, so I'm back with the dried twists. I ended up getting under the dryer for about an hour this morning because the way I slept last night and it was humid, my hair still felt kind of damp. My grapeseed oil here, and I'm just gonna dip my fingers in there to make sure my fingers are nice and oiled up to avoid any frizz, and I just go ahead and separate. Twists are pretty easy to separate, and then when I take out the braided root section, the twist will split up into several more sections. That's another thing that I really like about braiding the first couple inches, is that it helps it to automatically separate. I don't have to separate that much. I'm gonna wait to separate just because I want to see, but thus far I'm actually really liking this definition. My hair is shiny, it's defined, it's bouncy. Okay, so far so good. It's just separating so nicely and naturally that I just have to see what it feels like. Feels really good to be back on camera, guys. Please, please, please leave below in the comments if you like this kind of video. If you'd like to see me style my hair, please let me know if you'd like to see vlogs. I'm thinking about getting into the vlog movement. Mom vlogs, baby vlogs, day-to-day life. If you guys do think you'll be into that, let me know, because I really want to buy a vlogging camera because it's just so much easier to pick up. When I'm on the go with a baby, it's gonna be, I think, really easier to get content up. And I just miss you guys being on here more, and it's definitely more work for me to set up with a tripod and everything. I will say this is probably one of the best twist outs I've ever had. I would say that this is really awesome definition. Look at these corkscrew curls. As you guys can see, the definition is amazing. This is day 1 hair. As my hair goes on, it'll get like thicker and more voluminous. I really like the results. I'm gonna go through now and just separate. And then I just like to add a little extension here. My hair is very full, soft, bouncy, flowy. Smells like very clean. Guys, I think I've learned something about my hair today. And that is that it loves this line. So thanks Aphogee for introducing me to something new. Cause you know, I was of the mind frame, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. But I guess I didn't know it was broke. That's the look, guys. Let me know what you think. My hair went from being dirty and gross, coming out of a protective style, to this. And I subscribe. Comment below if you've ever used Aphogee products. And also comment below if you are interested in seeing vlogs or if you're interested in seeing mommy vids. And comment below. See you guys.